Okay, we are going to do new lecture, chapter 2, functions and graphs. Okay, functions and graphs. We have something called the domain. So this is domain right here. Usually this is called the input. Okay, so it's the input of the function. Here we have range. Okay, usually this is the output. Okay, this is the output of the function right here. And usually you have something like this and something like this. And you have some type of input and some type of input, and then some output, and then some output, okay? And then usually you have some type of function that is mapping on this, okay? So if this is x, then this is f of x over here. So if this is the domain, then this is the range. So a function has one input and one output. Okay, and it must pass the vertical line test. Okay, vertical line test. So vertical line test. Okay. What about something like this? If I have x squared plus y is equal to 4. Is this a function? So yes, this is a function right here. Okay, what about something like this? What if we have x squared plus y squared is equal to 4? So is this a function? So this is not a function because it's a circle. And that means that if you do the vertical line test, it's going to fail. Okay, it's going to fail because if you draw a vertical line, like right here, okay, you're going to get two outputs, and you're going to get a value here and a value here, and that's not going to work. Okay, let's see here. What if I have this, example 4? Okay, example 4. So evaluating a function. Okay, so this is f of x, okay, and this equals x squared plus 3x plus 5, okay? So that's the function. What if we said something like this? What if we said f of 2? Well, we would just plug in 2 every time we see x, okay? And we would evaluate this. So this would be what? I think 15. This would be what? X plus 3. And this is going to be something like this. X plus 3 squared plus 3 times x plus 3. And then plus 5. And then this is negative x squared, okay, plus 3 negative x, and then plus 5. Okay, and what is this going to be? Okay, so this is actually going to be what? X squared minus 3x plus 5, right? That's what that one's going to be. This one, I'm kind of going to leave that up to you guys to work that one out. Okay, but you just multiply all of this out. Okay, what about this? Okay, what if we have this? Example 6. I have some type of shape like this, and it looks like this. So is this a function? No, not a function. Okay, what about something like this? Okay. Yes, this is a function. Maybe I should put this in green. Maybe, I don't know. So yes, this is a function. Okay, what about this? Okay, is this a function? So this is a yes. Okay, what about something like this? No, this is not a function because vertical line test. Okay, what about something like this? If I had something like this? Is this a function? Yes, this is a function. What about something like this? Well, this is obviously going to be no, not a function. And then what about something like this? Okay, we do this. This is not going to work right here because this is not a function. So this is not a function right here. Okay, what about this? Okay, an ordered pair is called a what? A relation. Okay, so that is something like this where we have this. Remember, this is domain. Okay, so X is domain and Y is range. Okay, so what if we have something like this? A set of ordered pairs is a function if what? A set of ordered pairs is a function if the vertical line test is passed. Okay. And let's see here. What if we have something like this? What if we have y is equal to x squared minus 1? And this defined as, so is this a function? Okay. So yes, it is. Yes, a function. Okay, this is a function. Yes, it is a function. Okay, and then the graph of a function is the graph of what? Okay, the graph is just a bunch of what? Of ordered pairs. Okay, that's what that is. Okay, so I think that's going to wrap it up. There's a very short lesson on functions and graphs. And you have to think a function. What else is it about a function? Function is just something that takes some type of thing and maps it someplace else. So you're mapping A to B, okay? So it's a map, okay? So that's what a function is doing. It's taking some input, right? And mapping it to some output, okay? Input to some type of output. And then there we go. That's what it's doing. So anyway, there we go.